Well, hi and welcome back. We appreciate you watching. If this is the first time you've ever seen any of our videos, I'd recommend you go back and watch a few, find out exactly what is going on. Well, in this episode, we're going to continue to get the house ready to sell. We want to get it on the market in spring. And springtime in Atlanta comes in around April. This is towards the end of March, and we are rushing to trying to get things done around the house to go ahead and put that sign in the front yard. But the first thing we need to do before we can even put that sign in the yard is get the house presentable. Got to fluff it. It's kind of like going and getting a haircut and shaving. Some other things though I'm going to take advantage of is that since I've made the commitment to start putting these videos together, I feel like I need to practice on my style. I've just been practicing to have things to show you, the hard work that goes into it, and hopefully we're having some fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy me having some fun. So here we go. Let's do a little house fluffing. Let's get this house ready to put on the market.
Against the system. Taking a stand, this wasn't enough. We the people expect a time to change the world for us. Living in a fantasy, taking everything away from me. Who's
Just another project. Stephanie's up there water pressure washing the deck. Doesn't need it horribly, but she wanted to do it. Why aren't I doing it? Quite frankly, she enjoys doing stuff like that. So if she enjoys it, she should be allowed to do it.